Hey guys, check this out. When you make fried chicken at home, do you put the chicken directly in the oil? If you do, don't do it like that anymore, guys. First, the chicken won't be as dry and crispy, and beside this, it's gonna splatter oil and grease all over your stove. I'm gonna show you how you can make the most crispy chicken in the world using this water. That's right, folks, water. So, this is what we're gonna do. Here, I have about 21 ounces of chicken drumsticks. First, go ahead and season it the way you like. Here, I'm gonna use half a lime. I'm also gonna add half teaspoon of saffron. A smoked paprika, the same amount. And also the same amount of salt. But, like I said, you can season it however you prefer. Then, let's mix everything very well to get all this nice flavor. In the meantime, you get another container. And now, this is the big secret for a perfect fried chicken. In the container, add 1 cup of cornmeal. Put it here. Then, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Add also 1 pinch of salt. And then, just mix everything very well. Now, this is what we're gonna do. Take the seasoned chicken and put it in our cornmeal and flour mixture. Then, make sure to coat it very well. Once that's done, take a piece of chicken. And you need to leave a container of water right next to it, alright? So go ahead and dip the chicken in the water. Dip it, take it off, and wait until it stops dripping. As soon as it stops dripping, go ahead and put it in the hot oil. One more time, take the chicken, dip in the container of water real quick. Then, wait for it to stop dripping. When it stops dripping, go ahead and put in the pan with hot oil. So, that way your stove and your kitchen won't become a mess. And on top of that, your chicken will be extremely crispy. Let me show you guys. And here it is, folks. We're done here and look how wonderful they look. Check this out. Let me get a fork. And look at that. It's just perfect. Can you hear it? Look at this. That's really amazing. So, that's it. Next time you make fried chicken at home, try it this way. I'm pretty sure everyone's gonna love the result.